In this video, I'll show you how to make aesthetic planner in Notion. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch it. I'm going to show you in this video. Now open up your Notion. You don't need to worry yourself where you have a lot of templates for yourself. So go to browse templates. So you need to type in aesthetic. So you can be able to plan up a simple aesthetic weekly schedule for your work, for your activities, and a whole lot of it. So this is where this really helps. So just choose one from your own preference. So I think I'm going to go with this simply aesthetic weekly schedule. I'm going to select it. I'm going to tap on the use templates option. Once you tap on it, you can be able to see different things you can do in a week. From plan my week, weekend meeting, reading club, like a whole lot of it is already here for you once you need to use the templates. Why not leverage on this very good template for yourself instead of worrying about creating? So use the ones that are very best for you. You get? So this I can be able to do. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And remember, if you love to create templates like this, you can also contact the creators of these templates to help you and support you. I'll see you in the next video.